Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about a literature chapter called Evans Tries an O-Level. Again, I'm going to repeat it. If you've not seen our other videos, we are just going to mention that we are by now assuming that you're already aware of what is there in the chapter, and we bring to you important points that you need to know in the chapter and important topics and themes that are highlighted throughout the chapters or questions in that case. So today we are going to be talking about Evans Try an O-Level. This is one of my favorite chapters as well because I had it too when I was doing my 12th. It is a really great thriller kind of a chapter. So it is about Evans who tries to escape prison, and he's there fourth time attempting a German examination. So I'm going to tell you about the points and the questions that you might want to remember and focus more on versus other things. I will go a little bit in order and then we will summarize it all. So remember about the title, Evans Tries an O-Level. So I'm beginning with the title because that's the first thing you see when you open the book, and I always say that what is the first thing that will come in your mind when you read the chapter Evans Tries an O-Level? You might be all over the place. What O-level does he try? Where does he try it? Exactly. So you might get questions like, is the topic suitable? Is the title suitable? Is it not suitable? In that case, you have to know the story and you'll have to summarize the story in order to explain how he reached to that point where he gives an O-level examination. And you will have to put that in a summarized way to justify if you agree. According to me, yes, it's a suitable title because he goes to the prison, he attempts an O-level, he never takes his hat off because that is going to be his weapon to escaping the prison. That is how it was his fourth escape during the O-level examinations. According to me, it happens to be a suitable and a fit title. So basically, remember, Evan is a criminal famous for breaking the jail multiple times, and this is his fourth time in the jail, where everybody around him, all the police officers and everybody who are taking care of him are being extra cautious that he does not escape the prison this time. This time when Evan is in the prison, he desires to have some kind of qualification, and he wants to give an O-level exam in German. Since everyone is capable how Evan's mind works, they actually help him by getting him a teacher so that his focus is on German and not on escaping the prison. So remember why everybody around him, like, okay, we'll get him a teacher, we'll get him to teach, we will help him, we want him to get qualified, because they don't want him to do anything to escape the prison. So 6 months he's learning German and then he appears for the exam. When Evan appears for the exam, remember why everything from his has been taken away. He did not let his hat being taken away, which is not a weapon. So in a way, after a point, everybody gave up on taking that away from him. They said, okay, because it's not harmful, so they didn't take the hat away. But really, that hat was the key weapon for his escape, and you need to remember this point very clearly, how the hat played a role in Evan's escape. I'm going to say this topic is not difficult. It's just about how Evan has planned his escape. So it's about basically criminal mind versus the law enforcement, and how, also remember how the van was part of the plan of his escape. By van, I mean, I hope you're aware of the chapter. The governor feels satisfied when he finally sees Evan in the prison van, but actually the prison van was part of Evan's plan to plan his escape. I'm going to again repeat, this topic does not have much. It has justification of the title, the significance of the hat, and how Evan plans his escape, and the theme. So these are the main things that you need to focus on, except that there is not much to the topic that you need to know. Just remember how you have to include the points like never take your opponent lightly, which is a theme in the topic, that whenever Evans has been taken lightly, that's when he has escaped the prison. The governor underestimated Evans, actually backfired him. So again, the theme is like, don't take your opponent lightly. In this, again, you will have to explain about Evan's escape, about him not taking the hat, how the van played a role, and how the governor took it took Evans lightly, and in return this is what happened. Remember the significance of the title. If it's justified or not justified, according to me the title is justified. If you feel the title is not justified, just put those answers in the comment section below and we might come across a new light, because according to me it's all about the wit of the character, wit of Evans, and how the governor took him lightly, and he through this whole planning of giving an exam planned his escape once again. This is kind of the justification of the title. So we hope that you got something out of this video and you came across important topics and points that you might have to do in this chapter, and even if it refreshed your memory, it's really great. So don't forget, hit the notification bell to see our other videos, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you next time. Thank you.